For older kids, it's hard to find toys that match their growing desire for exploration. This ends today. Meet Qoopers, a 6-in-1 modular programmable robot made of metal that you can build from scratch. With the clear in-app instructions, it takes less than an hour to finish. In one package, you can build more than 6 different robots.
I am the captain. Now I can create my own robot troopers.
Control Qoopers on your phone or iPad. Nice and easy. Program Qoopers with a drag-and-drop coding interface. Change everything to make your own robot. Qoopers runs on powerful motors, which make it fast and fearless in the field. It's based on Arduino, a hardware platform that you can take professional with C++ and JavaScript. Qoopers can be fully customized from hardware to software. Give your loved ones a big surprise.